Hello, campers and RVers. Well, I went to put away my shoes underneath the dinette. Thought that would be a great place to store them instead of in my vehicle. And as I started to sweep away some of the dirt and debris that gets in these little nooks and crannies, I noticed there was a board that was just laying down inside of the dinette once I took off the covers. And this is it. I have no idea the purpose of it. It does say on here, middle dining seat. So I'm not sure where this goes, where it came from, but it was just laying down inside of underneath the dinette. So I think what I need to do is take it apart, take this lid off. You can see it's missing a screw here, and there are several screws just laying down underneath here, underneath the seat. So I guess I'll go ahead and take that apart, the lid apart, and see where this board goes. Have no idea. Also, this is missing. This should be in there in the side. The screws are missing. Maybe that's where the screws came from. But this was pushing into the leather or pleather seat cushion, which thankfully it didn't penetrate a hole. So I'm not sure what that is supposed to do, because clearly it's not inside of the Airstream there, just a couple of holes. This is, I think, the third dinette that was put in this rig. Not very good workmanship at all. But I'll go ahead and take this lid off here and show you what's underneath. Check back with you later. So definitely some dust and debris that needs to be swept up. I'm not sure what this is, just a board. It's not good. Electrical outlet. So maybe that board goes across here. Not too sure, I have to look into it. Check back with you later. So I believe it goes in right here. And it's supposed to be support if somebody's sitting in the back of the dinette. And so I'll try to figure out a way to get that screwed in there. It doesn't look like it's a very good setup, but it's like they drilled into the Airstream over here. So there's a hole there. Nobody ever sits back here. I'll see if I can't get that in there. So I'm not sure what this board is for, this long board. And you try to match up this board over here, because I think this is probably where it's supposed to go. You have a gap on this side over here that's pretty big. So I'm not sure what this second board is for. Maybe to lift it up. I'm at a loss. The Airstream puzzle pieces. So then if I put that board along the side and then put this board here, which it definitely says it's for the center dining piece seat. Again, it's way too short on the side to reach any of those screws, to reach these screws here. There's at least 2 inches. And if I move it over here, and the electrical stuff is right there, so I really don't want to be messing with this stuff too much. Okay, so what I'm doing is just putting it in. Obviously there's going to be a big space here on this side next to the Airstream, but the entire dinette is not attached to the side of the Airstream, so that's fine. I'll just have to, you know, this part won't either, but it'll provide a little bit more support on this end. I'm having trouble getting this screw in here. I need to put the camera down and I'll check back with you later. So put it in there best I could, and installed like that, and we'll just see how it goes. I'm going to go ahead and put the lid back on it and put everything away. Might as well take these out. Not doing anything. I'll put back together. Make sure you save your extra parts for some other project that might come up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.